Hey, do you need some more meaning to your stupid weak life? Do people fall asleep when you talk? Then you need PowerPoint Live Edition. That's right, you can PowerPoint everything. Be stopped by nothing. And become interesting. You will score. Do you like pie charts? Well, how about pie charts? PowerPoint Live. PowerPoint. Yes, PowerPoint is success. Percent of people who succeed with PowerPoint. Everyone! Don't be PowerPointless with standard animations. Be power perfect. Power perfect. With amazing animations like this one. And bulletins. You'll be the best at bulletins. You can put things in bulletins. Believe in bulletin. Bullet King. PowerPoint. Power sleeping, power dancing, and power looking, and power pointing. PowerPoint Live Edition. You'll be so in love with PowerPoint, you'll want to put everything in a presentation. You'll just keep PowerPointing away.
This message was brought to you entirely through your own initiative. Author and producer may not have any permission from Windows or Office to distribute this. Interested, can visit PowerPointing.com to get better at PowerPointing and get the newest, most professional templates for PowerPoint.